Good morning guys. Today I'm going to teach you how you can set up a major support and resistance, which really helps you to trade using support and resistance, and it will also help you that where you can open trade and where you can close it. There are a few points I'm going to cover on this. Not only that support and resistance, but I will give you some major detail that really helps you for the trade, because mostly what I found that people who are trading with a low equity, they are having problem with the risk management. So I will give you some point as well, so you can able to understand how you can trade with the low equity or higher equity, so you can able to manage each and everything. So let's start. First of all, you need to choose any item. Let's say this is a BTC basically. Let's say I will change this into gold, because I have people who are really like to trade with gold. So this is a simple chart. Okay, so we need to decide what we need to decide. We need to decide a major support and resistance first, so you can able to understand where are the major areas that market might be going bounce back, or it will go up, or whatever the possibilities. So first of all, you need to go on 1 day chart. Okay, 1 day chart or even 1 month, but I will prefer 1 day chart. And daily chart, whenever you will choose, I already have a lot of resistance support lines here, but I will just close this one all, so you can able to understand how I am doing, and I will show you the easy way to have proper support and resistance areas, so you will not face problem to understand where is the good area to buy and sell, and which is the proper support and resistance. Like here I had some areas which I was checking, so that's why my graph is little bit let's say leave this one, because this is something that I still need it. Okay, let's say this is a daily chart. Okay, so first of all, currently market, where is the current market? First of all, you need to choose the support and resistance. Okay, where is the support and resistance? And you need a RSI or CCI. You can choose anyone you want, but RSI or CCI is almost the same, but I preferred RSI to choose the support and resistance. So here, if you can see the from the current situation, what is the support here and what is the resistance here. If you can see here the level, okay, the level here, you can see the down one, the down level is 23. So basically this level is your support level. So one support level you can just choose here, a horizontal line, and you will click here the lower point. Okay, see the RSI is below 20, below 30, and it's 23. And after that you need to check the line which is above 70. So here is the line above 70. So this is the point above 70. So this is the major support and resistance whenever the lines are above 70 or below 30. So next level we can choose here. Now you can see here this is almost 70 plus, so this is also your support resistance area. Now here you can see, if you can check here, this point, this is already almost 30, but 32, but it's also a major support area. So I can select this one also, because if it's near 30, it's also a good area to. Whenever I'm going to choose all this support and resistance areas, you will see that it automatically later on, whenever we will go on shorter time frame, it will show you automatically all the resistance level and support level. Now here you can see here, this is the top here, so this is also your support and resistance area. So here you can see here, this is also your support and resistance area. Here you can see this one here, it's already done because we have done this one. And now you can see here, this is also your support and resistance area. Sorry, this one. So this is your also support and resistance area at this point. And now you can check here, and we will just reduce this one and this one. You can see this is also your support and resistance area. See, highest and lower, you have everything here. This is way far, but if you still want more, but this is enough to decide the area where are the important and support and the resistance area. Let's say if we'll go to a short time frame, let's say we will go 1 hour. See, now we are in a 1 hour chart. So here some areas is already selected, okay, which we are not going to do it. But now here you can see this is also in 1 hour chart, because shorter time frame, whenever you are trading with the less than 1 hour time frame, you can choose 1 hour chart. If you are using like 4 hour time frame for trade, you have to choose 1 day chart. So let's say we are trading like 15 minute or 5 minute or whatever, so we can choose here 1 hour chart, and we will check the 1 hour resistance or support. Now this is, see the below, it's 24. I will click here and I will put the support resistance here at this point, the lower one. So here if you can see, it's almost this area is almost reaching, so this is also a point, because here you can see there are some resistance. So this is also a major one. This one is also a major one, it's already selected here. Now this one is also almost a major one, so we can select here the support and the resistance area. So here you can see this one is also a major support and resistance area. So now you can see it's very easy to understand the trend, and you can see there are some, it's already decided, we had selected day time frame, and it's already done here. So you don't need to do it always, but there are some areas like here if you want to check more, but this is the area where you can have another support or resistance area. Here you can see this one, this is also give you a hint for the shorter time frame. This one is a little bit up. Okay, now you can see you have a proper support and resistance areas for your trade. So let's say now there is one more possibility when you are going more shorter time. Okay, so whenever you are going more shorter time, then you need to change the time frame. Let's say we will go to 30 minutes, then you will check the more data about 30 minutes. Let's say we are checking this one here, and it's already done here. But there is one more thing that you can need to do. After you finish these things, this support and resistance, you select this 50 above or 50 below. This is also important, because sometime whenever market is going 50 above, it gives a little more boost. So let's say we can check here this point. If you can see this point 50 above, so this is also one of your support and resistance area. Let's say we can just change the color. So shorter time frame here is 54, so you can see this is also your support and resistance. Here it's already done, this is also, but here if you can see this area here, it's also giving you a hint that this is also support and resistance area. here you can see below this 50, it's also support and resistance area. Now here you can see, because mostly people like to have a shorter time frame, so you need to check this 50 above and 50 below as well. So here if you want to look more support and resistance, like here, if you can see here, it gives you here or here. If you can see this one, you can have another one here. We selected here and we got here, and there are a lot along the way. So this is what you need to do. It's very simple, but it's very reliable source when you are having a proper support and resistance areas. And that areas, remember one thing which I mentioned, the red line which I give you, it's a 1 day time frame and 1 hour, okay? Because some 1 day and 1 hour, it's almost the same area for the support and resistance. One more thing that I want to explain it to you, it's about your equity. If you are having a lower equity like $100 or $200 or even $500, risk management is very important. I am going to make another detailed video maybe this weekend for the risk management, so you are able to manage your amount, okay? But at this point I just want to give you a tip that if you are having $100, $200, even $500, don't take too much risk, and your stop loss should be not very near the support or resistance, and not very far too. Like here, if I am going to open trade here, let's say this is 75, so this is the strong support and resistance area. Here if I can go down, basically there is one more area here which is this point at 66. So if you are opening a trade here at 72, so your 66 maximum $4 you can have a stop loss. If you will go beyond, if this area will be break, it's possible it will hit the 61 as well or 62. So these are the important things when you are having a stop loss. Stop loss should not be more than $4 when you are trading with the gold, as well as if you are trading with a currency, if it's not volatile currency, because predictable currencies are better to trade if you are having a low currency. What are the predictable currencies? They are major pairs, okay, just like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, AUD USD, New Zealand USD. So these are the main pair. Don't trade with the exotic pair, or don't trade with the minor pair if you are having a low equity, because low equity cannot manage the account, your account. Especially people who are trying to trade with gold with $100 or $200, even $500. I'm not really suggest anyone that they can trade with gold. Even I have a lot of equity in my account, but I think 100 times beforehand taking a trade in gold. And sometimes I'm really confused when I'm taking trade in gold. So remember, equity management is very important. If you are having a low equity, you must trade only once. Whenever your trade is closed, after that you can open another one. With $100 you can have trade 0.01, 0.01, something like that. So better to trade with those companies where you don't have any problem with the account or any payment issues or something. If you need any help for the companies where you can invest and have profit with a good platform, just let me know. I will try to talk some of my companies which I already know. If they are having the trade which you are interested, then we can, I also give you the link or something that you can trade with them. Subscribe my channel and share this video as well. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.